Hi, my name's Cheryl and I'm from Australia. I found out about Smile on Google search through an agency. I came to Bangkok and I came because originally I had composite veneers put on in Tasmania and they were so big and I had trouble with my gums bleeding that I was recommended by my dentist that they had to be removed. So I had a price done in Australia and then I had the comparison done for here in Bangkok, which was much cheaper, and I'm so pleased that I had it done because they've done a wonderful job and everyone is friendly. I've had no pain all the way through and I'm petrified of needles and I couldn't recommend them more.